Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where the markets closed to end the day. The major averages closed mixed today despite the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 once again hitting all-time highs. The NASDAQ led the way higher, closing up 0.25%, followed by the S&P 500 closing nearly 0.1% higher. The Dow closed down 0.7%, and the Russell 2000 was the laggard today, closing 1.33% lower. Now taking a look at our leading and lagging sectors on the day. Energy led the gainers, up over 0.7%, followed by technology and communications. Consumer discretionary was the laggard in terms of sectors today, closing down nearly 1.25%, followed by materials and healthcare. Now let's look at some more of the stocks that are on the move today. Intel on the move after the close following its latest earnings report. The chip maker posted mixed results, beating estimates for revenue while posting a loss on earnings. New CEO Lip-Bu Tan said the company is focused on its AI effort on developing a cohesive silicon, system, and software stack strategy. Intel also said it expects headcount reduction initiatives will reduce its core workforce by 15% by the end of fiscal 2025 as part of its turnaround efforts. And Tesla shares fell today after reporting earnings post-market on Wednesday. The automaker had an initial negative reaction to its second quarter report and was then driven lower after CEO Elon Musk said the company could potentially have, quote, a few rough quarters. Musk did, however, mention that he is confident Tesla owners will be able to add their vehicles to its robotaxi network by next year. Musk anticipates that the robotaxi business to have a material impact on Tesla's financials near the end of next year. And American and Southwest Airlines sold off today following disappointing quarterly reports. American lowered its earnings outlook for the upcoming quarter and full year, now expecting a surprise loss in its third quarter. Southwest missed expectations on both the top and the bottom lines as traffic fell 3.5% for the quarter. Although both carriers cited weak travel demand for their missed results, both expect a more constructive backdrop for the second half of the year. Let's take a look at what we're watching for tomorrow. This week's deluge of earnings continues with quarterly reports from Centene, Phillips 66, Charter Communications, and AutoNation. On the economic data front, we'll get a look at durable goods orders for the month of June, Atlanta Fed GDP now for the second quarter, and the Baker Hughes oil rig count. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.